In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off parental controls on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off head over to Settings, then tap at Screen Time, and then tap at Content and Privacy Restrictions. The easiest way to turn off parental control on your iPhone is just turn off that feature, which is called Content and Privacy Restrictions. Just hit at that button to turn off all the restrictions on that particular device. Keep in mind that it may ask you to enter your screen time passcode to be able to turn this feature off. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.